Trendy. Welcome back to this 1J Cressida build in Trendy Adams' garage featuring retarded jesters and 1J. 1JZ. Anyway, Adam's been busy cleaning up the block because he doesn't work because he's a bum.
Fuck off.
And just a bit of four-wheel drive action going on here. Oh, flexed out. More flex than a bloody Land Cruiser.
Oh, the joys of fucking shit surfaces.
Ooh. This thing's seriously so clean, I wish I kept it.
Can you just make sure that doesn't destroy itself, please?
Oh, damn.
Falcon.
Falcon. Trendy.
That's not my fault. Just fucking... Make sure you inhale like a lot while you're doing this. Helps for motivation.
Helps give you good coverage.
Correct.
Oh, something all. He's going the whole hog.
Yeah, well, I couldn't be fucked masking all that up. Plus, it'll just look better when it's all black because it just is all one rather than having fucking colours and shit.
Oh, yeah, fair enough, fair enough.
Kinda, you know what I mean?
That's coat number one. She's all black. Should look good in the hull. Nice.
It's like in Indiana Jones when they cut that fucking metal mummy thing open. Ooh la la!
Head. Fresh, pH fresh.
Correct.
Different. Yeah, nice.
1, 2. 1, 2. I think.
Mint.
Maybe.
Mint. Mint. Oh, mint. Nice fresh head.
Fresh head.
To go on your bucket of a bottom end.
Hey, don't talk about it like that. It looks pretty on the outside. How fucking whack are these things about, like how the ports run like on the piss and shit like that? Like, it's just different, I guess. Well, obviously it's different, isn't it?
Nice.
We can put this on today.
Do you have any timing kit for it?
Not yet. I haven't ordered anything for it yet.
Yeah, well, I didn't know if it came with a timing kit with the gasket set and shit or...
Nah, the gasket set has got... I should probably lay that down so I don't fucking drop it. Because that would be the end of my life. This is the head gasket we're going to be using.
Mint. Poor old S14, look at what it's been reduced to.
Yeah, I know. What a... It's a fucking storage unit now.
Your 500 wheel horsepower SR20 S14's been reduced to a work shelf so you can build your dirty piece of shit Cressida.
Get mad, internet.
Sesh. Trendy Adams, trendy stunts.
Trendy stunts. Bugger. Oh, this is scooter bri flip.
Trendy. Alright, Adam's got 2 coats on it now. Looking pretty gangster. Oh, nice. Thanks, mate. Anyway, we're going to put the head on today, but Adam's still tossing up because of that score you saw in cylinder number 5 last episode. It's fairly severe. It's probably would be far better off honing it out, and maybe, yeah, if you could hone it out, it's pretty severe, but Adam's still thinking at this point he's just going to send it and see if it grabs a ring or not, basically because either once you pull one piston out and you're going to re-hone it or possibly rebore it and re-ring it, you may as well do them all on a 200,000k old motor, and then it becomes like a full bottom end rebuild, which isn't so much expensive, but obviously Adam doesn't really have the gear here to be able to do that here, and he doesn't really want to try and get it all the way out to HQ for us to do it. Also, we don't have really time because we're busy doing our own stuff anyway. So basically Adam's idea at the moment is just send it with the score and the bore, and if it grabs a ring, he'll rebuild it then, and he probably won't be any worse off than he is at the moment, except for the fact that he would have already put in all the work to get it in the car. Either that, or alternatively, he'll just buy like another bottom end, like a 2JZ gear bottom end, and do like a 1.5J if he needs to, if it's cheaper. So anyway, at the moment, we've sort of run out of motivation to get this head on. Adam's still indecisive.
Oh no, I'm gonna put it on, but like, maybe not today, because I gotta go to Marty.
Yeah, we got a friend that needs Adam to do some welding because he's got a poo troll.
Need to make a dump pipe, stainless dump pipe.
Stainless dump pipe for shit. So we're gonna go do that now instead, and yeah, progress will continue on afterwards later. So this is the part where I watch Adam struggle and don't help.
Oh no.
Oh, looks clean, boy.
Ta-da!
Would you feel better if that was on there?
I would feel better. Another day.
Right, this is weird, first time on camera, but I figured I'd rather film it than not film it. Adam and I are just gonna prep the block surface to take the head, so we're just gonna give it a light scuff. And get it all ready, get it all clean, probably put the head down. I don't know if we'll torque the cams down, but we'll probably torque the head onto the block. Probably just turn into a time-lapse video, but whatever, we'll just get footage of it anyway. Going to lube the ARP head studs with the provided ARP head stud or whatever assembly grease. It's all clean, all ready to go, all brake clean, everything's tidy. Good mating surface for the head to go on, so we're just going to pop these suckers right in there with grease. Right, we just put the washers in the head, so now the head is ready to go on. It's basically impossible to put the washers in when the head is on the block because the studs, obviously, you just can't get it on. So, yep, putting the head on the block, and I'm gonna film it on the top of the green shelf.
The green shelf. Listen, shelf.
That's it. That wasn't as graceful as I was hoping it was gonna be, but fuck it, cool. Right.
Head on! Fuck. I'm scared.
Yeah.
I actually can do it. I just like been like jamming the cup on the end of my finger. Nice and in there. So then it's on there.
So how do you set your torque spec to 80 foot-pounds?
Mate, like all I gotta do is go like half strength and it
Oh, half strength.
yeah. And that
Not
should be
full
about
strength.
right. No.
Not a craft beer.
Not a craft beer. Nah. Fuck you, cunt.
But anyway, I suppose we'll continue this video a bit later on, or whatever. I don't know
Yeah.
how Max edits these things. I just point the camera at my face and at the motor. Got no idea what I'm doing.
Max
but
said that he might come past. If I won't have it done tomorrow because we'll be at skid control.
oh,
So it might be Max filming and us doing it on Monday Arvo
yeah.
after he's done work. And I'm not at work because fuck that.
Yeah. I'll be at work. Busting my ass.
Busting your ass in the filtered aircon in your fucking lounge chair, cunt.
Yeah.
So I picked up the deep 13mm hex socket, thin wall off Liam yesterday. So now I can slot that down in there, fits in there nicely. So I'll just go through and put them all down. Got the torque sequence from ARP. Piece of paper that came with the studs says to do 80 foot-pounds. Now this diagram says to do 100. So I'm probably just going to go with the 80 or maybe 85 just because that's the paper that came with the box and 100 seems a little bit much. So I'm going to do 3 equal steps. So I'm going to go 30, 60, and then to the 80 or 85 at that sequence there. There you have it, all torqued down and double checked to 85 foot-pounds. So hopefully that is all good. I'll also now be assembling the cams that I have underneath this blanket. So I'll be talking all these down to spec in the right order as well, using some assembly lube. Okay, so I'm going to tighten the cam caps down as this diagram in that order to 14 foot-pounds So.
Alright, I'm back to phone filming because all my batteries are dead for my cameras, but Adam's been busy, as you've just seen on the footage there. I only just rocked up because Adam's had the camera because he doesn't work because he's a bum and I've been at work.
Fuck off, dickhead.
Anyway, as you can see, heads on, cams are in. He's missing a dowel on the intake side of the cam, which is annoying because we have no idea where that is. Probably on the machine shop floor.
Over a year ago.
Yeah, a long time ago. So, unfortunately, that's going to be a pain because we've got to try and source one of them from somewhere. So, I'm so scared I'm going to drop my phone while I'm filming.
Yeah.
I've got to take it out of its case too because the camera lens thing on the case is all messed up. But anyway, so Adam's busy, which is nice. It's great. So, did you get some nice painting done today, mate?
Painting? Yeah.
In this beautiful painting weather?
Yeah, it's pretty annoying. I was planning to clean like the manifold and the fucking timing covers and shit. And then like start painting those and that, but dog shit weather. So all I've done is torque the head down, put the cams in, torque the cams down, put some seals in it and shit, and just fucking relax. I ordered some stuff too. Ordered a turbo, high mount manifold, wastegate, and a line kit for the turbo for all the lines, water lines and shit like that. So
Lovely. Did you keep all your receipts and keep track of how much it costs? We won't.
I have written all that down. I've got a little sheet that I've written stuff what I've spent so far.
Yeah.
So we're at
we won't put the costs in now. We'll put the costs in as the parts arrive.
Yeah, we'll do that. They should be all here this week. Hopefully. That would be nice.
Yeah, we'll do a bit of a consensus on the parts and a description and a price as they arrive. But 1Js are different to RBs in that, where the cams don't have the little divots so that you can actually remove and put the head on with the cams in. You have to actually take the cams out to get the head off and on. So different to RBs. That's probably one thing I can say the RB has over the JZ.
Yeah.
Is that you can remove the head with the cams installed.
Yeah. Which I didn't know until I fucking started doing shit, and I was like, oh! But that's alright though, doesn't matter. Gives me the option to put big cams in it, but I didn't because I'm tight ass and I'm not going down that road.